What's up guys, in today's video we are here with the classic Nerf Trilogy. This is a shell ejecting shotgun. Easily the best shotgun Nerf has ever made, so I figured we'd check out this classic blaster. Came out a couple years back, but I don't see why I can't review it, because it's just such an awesome blaster. Included with the blaster you get 5 shells, which you can also hold in the stock very nicely. 5 shells will fit into the stock. And the stock is very nice. You also get one nimble tactical rail. One tactical rail kind of sucks, to be honest, but it's a shotgun, so I don't really care. To load the blaster, you pump back the priming handle, pop a shell in, slide it forward, and fire. Then when you pull it back, the shell will eject. That is easily one of the coolest features of the blaster. Of course, this blaster is not slamfire enabled, but I'm sure after a couple of mods you could easily slamfire this blaster. The grip is excellent, and the priming handle is a smooth 60 FPS priming handle. And since this is a shotgun, it will fire 3 at once, which is very cool. And these shotgun shells are of course the newer shotgun shells, so they will not be compatible with the sledgefire. Also, sledgefire shells of course won't work in this, but these shotgun shells will be compatible with the shell strike. I'm not sure about the gouger horn, they might be, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is easily the best shotgun Nerf has ever made. If you don't want your shells to eject out the side, when you load them in, when you pull it back, lean it to this side, and your shells will not eject. You can then take them out of the blaster. But the shells ejecting makes the reloading process much faster. And that is basically the Trilogy for you. Now let's get into the firing demo. So overall, the Trilogy is an excellent Nerf blaster. Easily the best shotgun ever made. It works perfectly fine, other than the occasional problem where the shell doesn't eject, but that probably just depends on which angle you lean on. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please leave a like and subscribe. See you guys next time.